What's good, y'all? I hope y'all are doing amazing today. Today was an interesting day because we had a bunch of news, as you guys know. Let me show you guys, bro. Look at this stuff. Look at this. Look at all these red folders we had today. Okay, so today was high impact news. A lot of orange and a lot of red folders. Okay, all over from 3:15 a.m. to 10 a.m. and it was just crazy. Today the trades were crazy, but we ended up winning a couple trades. Let me show you guys. So these were the two trades we took today, and we won both the trades. Now let me go ahead and explain why I took these trades, and I hope you guys are actually liking this trade recap videos I'm putting out every day, because I'm going to be starting doing that every single day that I take a trade. You will get a trade recap video on YouTube for free. That's what I do, right? And my free Discord is in the description below, and also my Instagram is in the description below. Go follow me, go check out my Discord. It's all free, 100% free. I don't charge you guys for anything. But anyways, let's get into this video. So as we started off the day, we started off at around 10:04, 10 a.m. ish, right? I saw this beautiful, let me go on the 5 minute actually. I saw this beautiful consolidation here, and it wasn't really beautiful because it was like, wait one second. It wasn't really beautiful because it was very, very bad, especially down here. Once we started to break out a little bit, look, this was a nice breakout. Just look at what happened right after that. Boom, all the way up. So it wasn't great, but however, I can't really complain because it wasn't bad either, because we did end up taking a nice long position here. So jumping back on the 1 minute time frame, as you guys can see, once we broke out again over here, I took my long position. We retraced a little bit, and boom, all the way to full TP. My TP was this black line over here because it was liquidity from before, and that's what I targeted. And then we ended up going a little short, right? We ended up going bearish, and I didn't trade this because even though it was a liquidity sweep and I could have taken this trade, I wanted to stay out of the markets because I wanted to see how markets are reacting to price action today. And we did form a bearish fair value gap on the 1 minute and the 3 minute time frames, okay? Right here, as you guys can see, this red blocks right here, this is the bearish fair value gap. And what happened was price then went down and started creating this trend line going up here and tapped into the bearish fair value gap. So already now we have two confluences ready. One is a bearish fair value gap, which is on the 1 minute and the 3 minute time frame. So it's a pretty strong bearish fair value gap, right? Once it tapped into that, I was waiting for price to break below this trend line. And I was a little bit risky here. I would not recommend if you're a beginner to do this. How I was a little risky today, but basically what I did was I waited for price to break below, but I didn't wait for it to close, okay? So once it started to break below, I also knew that the bearish fair value gap was tapped, which is kind of why I just like impulsively entered the trade. I entered it right here as it was breaking out. So like right about over here, I entered the trade, and boom, we had a beautiful dump, and I targeted this liquidity over here, and this like basically this key level, not liquidity, key level over here. It's not really liquidity because liquidity was over here, and price is retracing down to that liquidity. Initially, I was actually targeting this liquidity over here, believe it or not. Initially, I was targeting this liquidity, but then I started to see price reacting a little bit weird off of here. And I was like, you know what? I'm about to bring my take profit up to this level over here, which is kind of a key level because as you can see, there's a lot of touch points and reactions off this level from before, especially on the 5 minute time frame. So I was like, you know what? I'm just going to put my take profit there, and we smashed it beautifully. So yeah, that's the two trades that we took today, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you guys found this helpful. These are just gonna be quick little, like, you know, videos of me covering my trades that I took on that day. And yeah, don't forget to follow me on Instagram, and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and like this video up so that I can put more video for you guys for free, just like this. Free content, free education for you guys to trade, right? But yeah, guys, anyways, I'm also starting a live trade, so maybe tomorrow I'm going to post a live trading YouTube video, or maybe live stream it soon, but let me know in the comments below what you guys think. But yeah, guys, anyways, join the Discord. It's 100% free. I don't charge you guys for anything, and I will see you later. Peace out.